Welcome to Enriching Factory here in Shenzhen, China. I'm your tour guide today. Come on, let's go take a look. Under Enriching Factory, there are 4 brands: Mirabox, ShuOne, TreasLin, Basci Color. This is where all sales and marketing people and customer service sitting. Every year we have a considerable sales volume. That's why this is the biggest department in our company. Next is our live broadcasting room. We have 2 live broadcasting rooms. Our fans through live streaming to know our product and establish the deep relationship with us. Next is our R&D department. We invest a large portion of our budget in R&D every year. This is because we attach a great value to product creativity and innovations. Now we are heading into the actual factory floor, and we have the QC department to check all the different products to have the highest quality. And now we can go to see our product. It's called Co.Ltd. Now they are packing. Inside has the Co.Ltd and the cable. And we also can provide OEM to our customer, and we have machine to print the logo. That was a quick tour of Enriching Factory. If you have any interest of us, please contact. The contact information is as below.